At number 5 we have the 360 Fly 360 degrees 4K action camera. The 360 Fly 4K action camera is a very good looking small sized camera which records really good looking videos. It can record 360 degree 4K videos with lifelike detail. It features a very powerful 16 megapixel image sensor which lets you take stunning shots. This camera can be connected to your iPhone or Android device very easily, and you can share videos on social networks like Instagram and Facebook very quickly from your phone. It's dust proof, shock proof, and it is water resistant to depths around 3 feet. It also includes an accelerometer, e-compass and GPS, so this can be very useful in some cases. Overall, it's a good camera but needs a better battery in my opinion. At number 4 we have the Yi 4K action camera. Yi is known to be very good in camera business, and you probably know that they make very high quality security cameras. The Yi 4K action camera can record videos with quality of up to 4K 30 fps or 1080p 240 fps. It has a built-in 2.19-inch LCD touchscreen from which you can check your recorded videos or photos. The screen is a Gorilla Glass screen, and so you can say that it's pretty durable. One of the main reasons of me listing this camera on this list is the price. It has a lot of things to offer, but it is very cheap compared to the other cameras that have similar specs. At number 3 we have the GoPro Hero 4. I know that there are newer models of the GoPro, but I wanted to put the Hero 4 on this list because it is still relevant and better than most of the cameras on the market. It has a built-in touch display from which you can easily control your camera, shot framing and playback. It can record great looking videos at 1080p 60 frames per second, and it can take the 12 megapixel photos. It has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can see the photos and recordings directly on your phone. What I like the most about the Hero 4 is the auto low light mode. Basically it changes frame rates based on lighting conditions for optimal low light performance, enabling you to move between bright and dark environments without having to adjust your camera settings. At number 2 we have the Garmin Verb Ultra 30. Okay, I can easily say that the Garmin Verb Ultra 30 is one of the biggest competitors of GoPro because it has a ton of functions you can play around with. It can record crystal clear 4K 30 fps videos, and it can take very color rich photos that look extremely good. The Verb Ultra 30 features the G-Metrix built-in GPS and has a lot of different sensors, so you can track performance data like speed, elevation, heart rate and more. It has a 1.75-inch LCD touchscreen display which is very easy to use, and another thing I want to mention about the Verb Ultra 30 is the voice control. You can basically make videos or take pictures with it in hands-free mode. At number 1 we have the GoPro Hero 5. The GoPro Hero 5 is the best action camera so far in 2017. GoPro is basically one of the first companies to create the trend about action cameras, and because of that they are the best action camera company in the market. The GoPro Hero 5 can record very good looking 4K video and can take 12 megapixel photos in burst, single and time-lapse modes. It's very easy to handle and looks very good in my opinion. This action camera can be used in almost all kinds of sports because it can record anything, and it is waterproof for depths up to 10 meters or 33 feet. The GoPro Hero 5 features a 2-inch touch display from which you can preview and play back your shots, so you can also use the voice control features to give it simple voice commands. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you got any questions leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.